So let's talk a little bit about the tools that we use for stained glass cutting. So here you got your garden variety drugstore cutter. It's a steel cutter. It's good for 8 to 10 hours of cutting. Then it starts to degrade. This one, it's the same grip, but it is a steel carbide cutter. It lasts about 15 times as long. That's how it's rated. This is a pencil grip cutter. Again, steel carbide. The difference is that you can put oil in this receptacle and the grip is different. This is a pistol grip cutter, again steel carbide, and you put oil in it. This one has a felt liner so that it won't free flow on you. Oil won't come out of the tip. This one is an oil cutter, again the pistol grip, but this one, the head moves, it reticulates as well as depresses up and down. I don't know if you can see that. If that's too much movement when you're trying to cut with it, you can always loosen this screw right here, turn the head around and tighten the screw to the back of the cutter. That'll take the play out. These pliers are called grossing pliers. They have a flat side and a curved side as well as serrated teeth on the inside. It's a cutter that we use, or plier that we use for breaking the glass once it's scored. When you make contact with the glass once it's scored, if you use the flat side up, it'll give you a firm contact. That tells you that's the side to use for breaking, flat side. If you spin them around and you have the curved side up, it feels schlocky. That's not the side you want to use for breaking. This is called a running plier. It works under the same kind of premise. There's a fulcrum, that's a bump on the bottom. That goes under the score, and then 2 bumps on the top. Those go on either side of the score. So this white line, you would line up with your score and then just press them together very slightly, breaks your glass. This is a different type of runner. It's exactly, again, the same premise, just convex on the bottom. So the top part of the convex curve works underneath the score, and then the concave on the top and the 2 sides of the concave curve work against the score. There is a line on the top that you line up with your score and squeeze. And don't forget, you always want to wear your safety glasses when cutting. We'll go over tools that we use for stained glass cutting. Yeah, man, let's talk tools.